Good morning everyone, welcome back to Importo Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have a very special car. I have with me a Rolls-Royce Dawn. I'll show you all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. I'll start off by showing you guys the Spirit of Ecstasy. I'll show you guys. This is the key. Look at that. Normally this is chrome, but we changed this to an illuminated one. So when you turn on the park lights, this lights up at night. This single thing cost a lot of money. So people steal this. So when you shake it, it goes down. But I don't wanna shake it now and like try to grab it because I might break it. But yeah, can you believe this single piece is $3,000? This Rolls-Royce Dawn sports a Wald International Black Bison kit. This is made in Japan. It's very exclusive and it looks really good. So we changed the whole front bumper, the side skirt, and the rear diffuser and the muffler cutter. That's the parts that came from Wald, Japan. So this bumper with this design made the car look more aggressive, guys. We painted this black, and this DRL, the daytime running lights, is included in the body kit. It looks so nice. Usually the Rolls-Royce Dawn's front bumper looks classy and a bit boring, so we changed it up and we made this combo, black and white. Also, can you believe, guys, we repainted this car. This was blue before. So the owner wanted a white car generally. So he asked me to repaint the car and we picked the best shade of white, which is like a pearlescent white. Also, this is not a black edition Rolls-Royce. So normally you can spec out a Rolls-Royce with all black trims. But this one, he bought it in chrome and he got tired of it, so he asked me to make it like a black chrome. This is the first time we did this to a car and it looks so nice. It's not your usual gloss black finish. It has the chrome shine to it. Also, this is black chrome. So basically all the chrome parts, we change it to a black chrome look. Do you guys like it? Comment in the comment section below. Also, this one is amber before. We wanted a clean look, so I changed this to a white version. Then, as you can see, the 24-inch AL13 wheels. 3-piece forge, finish in gloss black, and triple tint polished finish centers. It has the Rolls-Royce center caps, the floating caps. I cannot remove that because it's a feature of this Rolls-Royce and it looks so nice. I matched the gloss black to the body of the gloss black accents. Then this is almost close to the black chrome that we did. So the colors are very uniform. It ties up perfectly, in my opinion. This runs also in Pirelli P0 tires, measuring 255/30/24. We lowered the car to this height. This is the normal park height. This automatically goes up when you're driving it. And while we're shooting it now, I made it to this height. This is all from Wald, Japan, guys. This is their logo. Looks so nice. Actually, this is our first time to feature a Rolls-Royce in our channel, but we've done so many already. We've done a Phantom with Black Bison kit. We've done a Wraith. Yeah, several Wraith. Actually, I've been doing a lot of Rolls-Royce lately, so if you check out my Instagram, it's filled with a lot of Rolls-Royce. All this is black chrome, guys. It looks so nice. I really like this finish. This is black chrome too. Also, this is black chrome. This is the rear diffuser from Wald, Japan. Made the rear more aggressive looking too. Also, as you can see, the rear diffuser, we painted it gloss black with the fins. Normally, it's not black, but I wanted to do a black and white combo, front and rear, just to match everything up. Then the muffler cutter from, they call it muffler cutter in Japan, but it's muffler tips, made specifically for this rear diffuser. This is one of the most quiet mechanism, soft top mechanism that I've tried. Electric motor is enclosed with the sound deadening. We're joining the Manila Auto Salon this coming November 24 to 27, and you'll see this car. This is one of the cars that will be displayed under Import Hookup booth, and you'll see it having an orange drop top already on that event. So I'll see you guys there. We're now at our favorite place to speed up. I'll show you how it feels speeding up in RR. See, the power delivery is so smooth, but we're doing 100 already. It's so smooth. Normally, it will like jerk, like it will push you back on the seats, but this one, the torque comes in smoothly, but it's hella fast. Yeah. See, it moves, guys. Maybe you can put down the window so they can hear how noisy it is outside. See? All the road noise, all the motorcycles. But if I put the windows up, wow, everything's so quiet. It's like having double glaze for your window treatment in your house, but this one is inside your car. I love it. I'm so relaxed. This is it for today's episode. I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.